Hey, how you doing? Well, we're off down to St David's in Pembrokeshire for a week, playing around in the sun and the water, a bit of climbing, a bit of free solo in this beautiful scenery down at St David's. First thing, I've got to get all this stuff packed into the van. We seem to be taking more and more each stuff when we go out every year, but it does make for a nice little comfortable camp for us. And we're only just fitting it all in the back. Mind you, it's not all mine, a little bit is Claire's. Down at the campsite, we come here every year more or less, and I like to get up first thing and make myself a nice coffee before everyone else is awake. The views off of this campsite are astounding. Over to the islands, over to Skoma, across the channel, and the sunsets are amazing too. Down at the bottom of the campsite, you can get straight down onto Porthclais harbour, which is a beautiful little harbour that you can walk around, and there's lime kilns. You can get onto the water here. There's
Me and Jack in the water. I'm just having a pee.
little jetty up here. It's a good place to have a little swim around. Also, you can jump off of the harbour wall here. You can see.
Look at this seaweed coming right as I'm I can jump over there.
I got to get the life jacket, didn't I? Oh.
Yeah, I hit.
So Jackie's got all the grace that his dad's got.
He looks just like me doing a front flip.
I'm sure he'll get better. But here he is springing into action and saving Peach, who was missing the get on point on the
Go.
Try and get on it a bit more.
Fast. I'll pick you up. Go. Going up. Go on, up. That's it, go, further forward. Oh, that would have gone.
I've got to say, Jackie's got some staying power. He was at this for hours. Got a few good little rides, but mostly fell off a lot. So I thought I'd retire for a bit and build some stone towers. After this a little bit of body surfing, which also didn't go greatly well, but we got a few little rides.
Surf it.
It was really good fun, splashing about in the waves. The beach does get crowded there during the day, especially in some holidays. So hang around for a bit, and it clears a lot, and at night time you can get some amazing sunsets off of the little island on the little head over there. Palm Beach beaches, this beach is now beautiful. A tradition over the last 20 odd years that after a good day out we go and have an ice cream, sit on the square, watch it all pass by. Had some great days sitting on here. I climbed my first e-climb over here on Porthclais. Can't remember the name of it, I'll look later. And sat here and ate an ice cream after that as well. Coastal path around Pembrokeshire's got to be one of the best paths in the country. The views are stunning. You can look down onto these little alcoves and right up, well, right up to the edge if you dare, but you've got to be careful. And then you come across little quiet bays, really stunning piece of coastline. This stretch of coastline is a favourite of ours for when we take people on silver DOE. Been down here a few times, used the same campsite, and it's a really nice walk. It's great wildlife around here as well. I've seen basking sharks walking across the top of these cliffs, seals, gannets, peregrine falcon. There's dolphins and porpoises out on in the bay. So here we are on Purple Slab. This is such a lovely place for a first climb for kids. The rocks, when it's in the sun, it has a lovely feel to it. It's lovely and warm and great positive grips. And I've taken all my kids have done kind of their first climbs on this slab, or first sea cliff climbs anyway. Me and Sal did it, me and Millie have done it, and now Jack's going to do it. I climbed it last year or 2 years ago with him and Bailey B. They just both at the same time, but he's going to climb it on his own today. He's going to up down and then climb up on his own for his first solo sea cliff climb. So we very cleverly forgot our abseil devices, so I was using my belay plate, which was I've never used for an ab before.
That's it, you're doing really well, look at me.
Very jerky. So
good boy.
Got used to it by the end. But,
Top abbing.
Yeah. It's a bit stiff to start with.
Way! You're the man! Are you there?
Yes,
well
so
done.
This is where I did my first e-climb that I mentioned earlier, and it was looked it up, and it was Grab the Slab, which is an E1, and yeah, I remember struggling up that 25 years ago or so. The Crack, which is what Jack and Leo will climb today, is a V-diff. It's a starred climb. It is a lovely little climb. And then Bailey's going to do some kind of free solo-y job off of the arete there. God knows what it is, because I think he'll make it up as he goes along.
Picking up, boy. Good. Hey, well done. Now sit next to me. Sit next to me. Sit down on the floor next to me. Hey, well done, boy. Hey, Jackie's first solo climb. Was that good?
Yeah, it's fun.
Did really well. Brilliant. Proud of you. storming it. Whee!
Oh my god.
Let me sit here. Smile at the camera. Well done, how was that?
Oh my god. Yeah, okay. Good. And guess what? The rush start again.
Huh?
You can go now.
So our last bit of adventure over here is to do a little bit of coasteering, basically just jumping off a cliff.
Number one.
Jack's really keen to do this. He's got a little bit of a taste for coasteering after we did the route up in Anglesey the other day. So we've come down to the Porthclais route here. I used to run this route many years ago with groups, but nowadays it's just for fun.
You've only got that one right.
Family and friends type of thing. And it is great fun. Shame there wasn't a bit of swell coming. There's a great big washing machine in the
rocks here.
there.
So you need to jump out there.
Yeah. Ready?
Rad!
Wow. Shout extreme slogans at each other when we were doing these jumps just to spice it up a little bit.
Totally rad.
Ago, Jack wasn't keen on doing these bigger jumps, and I think we get up to the biggest one at the end of the day. It was tide coming in, so we were able to get the big one in the end. But 2 years ago he wasn't keen on doing this, and Millie was quite happily doing it, and now he's pushing his luck a little bit now, wanting to go higher and higher all the time. He wants me to take him back over to Anglesey in a while to try and do the biggest jumps over there, so we'll see what the conditions are like.
Totally rad.
He's getting taste for it, isn't he? Ronaldo's stuck. Ronaldo sucks. Oh.
So that's the end of this year's trip down St David's. We tend to come down about once a year now. But I think I'll do a little 10 best things to do in St David's video maybe, because there's a lot of stuff down here to try out. But please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the hill sometime.